Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on CSS applied visual design. And we're going to learn more about the transform property. And before we use the transform property, took in the function scale. And skewX is also another function that this transform property can take in. So this skew would select elements along as X horizontal axis by a given degree. So we're going to skew it. It takes in, and the skew function takes in degrees, and it will skew it by the x-axis depending on that. And we can do an example here so we can further understand it. For this, it wants us to skew the element with the ID of bottom by 24 degrees along the x-axis by using the transform property. So we look at the bottom ID here, which is this bottom here. And now we want to transform skew x, but not by 24, negative 32, but by 24. And there you go. Now we can see it's been skewed. That's it. Thank you so much.